If you want to be healthier, these foods should never be eaten in the morning. Otherwise, you wouldn't even know how you died. First of all, don't drink milk. Milk does not strengthen bones and may contribute to arthritis and heart disease. Research suggests drinking milk in the morning may also cause indigestion, leading to problems such as bloating, abdominal pain, and diarrhea. Don't eat fried chicken. Fried chicken usually contains a lot of oil and calories, which will increase the burden on the stomach and affect digestion. Eating too much fried food in the morning is also easy to make the body feel heavy and affect the mental state of the day. All grains, including so-called healthy grains, contain sugar and gluten. They are just like milk and have a great negative impact on health and the body. Don't drink orange juice. Orange juice in the supermarket contains a lot of sugar, and these unnatural sugars can be compared to cola. Finally, avoid peanut butter and hazelnut spreads, which are high in palm oil and sugar, which can make you fattening.